Hey guys, hope you guys are having an amazing day. So for today, I'm going to be showing you guys just my filming setup and how I transfer my video and my pictures into my iPad where I edit them, how I edit them, and how I upload them into my YouTube channel, okay? So this is gonna be a very specific video just for those who are wanting to start in YouTube and can't figure out, like, say, what camera to use or how to edit them, how to insert or get your files from an SD card into your iPad. So I'm gonna walk you right through that, and I'm gonna show you all the equipment that I am using. So if you are interested and you are starting your YouTube channel, keep watching. All right guys, so this is my filming setup. I always film in front of a window so I can get a lot of natural light. This is a camera that I use. This is the Canon SL2, the Rebel SL2, as you guys can see right there. And I absolutely love it because it has this screen, this flip screen. Whoops, I almost dropped my camera. It has this screen which pops out right over here. So I'm able to see myself as I am filming. This is the Rode mic that I love. I've had this for a while. I'll go ahead and link these items below so you guys can check them out. I also link this tripod over here that I use, and this is my newest gadget that I bought at Amazon. It is a ring light. Let me turn it on for you right here. It's plugged in. And this bad boy is very intense, so I use it only when it gets really dark in this room. It does come with a camera, with a phone, how do you say it, holder, right, in case I want to use my phone, but I never use this. I usually just use the camera. I usually just use the light because I love this camera over here, okay? So let me show you how I take out my SD card and the adapter that I use to edit in my iPad. All right, here you go. This is gonna be kind of tricky, but this is a little adapter or a little attachment that I have to put on my camera so it fits inside, right over here, the tripod, okay? So this guy over here is very essential. So over here is where I have the SD card and the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is the battery, okay? You can charge that in between videos, and this right here is my SD card, which I just pressed down and it popped out. Whoops, there it is. Put it right on the floor. Guys, I am working with one hand. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and close it and put our camera right back in here. All right, let's go ahead and transfer this into our iPad. Here we are in my desk. This is my iPad. This is the converter that I got at Amazon. I will link it below, okay? This is where our SD card is gonna go in, and we're gonna put it, and we're going to insert it right into our iPad. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and slip this right in here. Okay. All right, and now we're gonna hop into the desktop and I'm gonna show you how we edit the video. All right guys, so over here we are in our camera roll. Now with the SD card converter, you're only allowed to import pictures and videos. You cannot export them out. So we're going to select the EOS digital right there in their devices. And there are just some other videos that I filmed. We're gonna scroll down to the one that I did today, which was a get ready with me video. So we're gonna go ahead and find it, and we're going to select it to import it. We're gonna do one at a time. Make sure you have plenty of space in your camera roll so you guys can import them in. I have 2 videos and a couple of pictures that I want to import. So that is what I'm doing. Right now I'm importing the video. All right, so now I opened up iMovie, which is where I edit all of my videos. I'm gonna open up a new project, a new movie. Just go ahead and select the ones that I have already imported into my camera roll. And I also have an outro that I have pre-recorded, which I use in all my videos. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert that in there as well. And for as far as transitions, I like the transitions to be a little smoother. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm just changing them up. And this is where I do all of my edits. There's just so many things you can do here in the iMovie. I'm also inserting in the beginning of the video just a little art that I have with like my logo, my name, so people know what channel they're watching or what video they're watching. And there's so much you can do. There's a lot you can do in the iPad, but you can do a lot more editing on your actual computer when it comes to iMovie. I absolutely love it, and it's standard for any Apple product. So there, I'm just going through the videos. I think at this point I am done editing it. I did not bother showing you guys how I do that, because it's a long, tedious process. But now what I'm doing is just adding a song. This one is the one that I use all the time, and these soundtracks are free. They are royalty free, so you are allowed to use them here in iMovie, which is again why I love iMovie. So I import that in there. I'm making sure that it sounds right, appropriate. So I always go through all my videos before I export them, okay, just to make sure that everything is how you want it. I'm doing that now. All right, and so I am happy with how everything is done and edited and how everything is flowing. So I think at this time now I'm going to export it. And I always export it with the lowest resolution. My particular way of doing things, just a preference, because that way it exports faster. So I'm going to save the video into my camera roll. Again, I do 360p, which is a small one. You can go higher if you want. You can do 4K HP, but it's going to take you longer to export it. It takes longer. I just kind of fast forward it. And there it was imported into my library. All right, so I'm going now to the YouTube channel, just my YouTube channel, to go ahead and upload the video. Okay, so I'm going to go to the top right, create, upload video, and there is my video right there that I just exported. And now it's going to upload. But first I'm going to add a title, quick title here, and I'm going to put "Get Ready With Me" or "Everyday Get Ready With Me." And something that's super important that I like to do, because I do add a thumbnail, is to make sure that it does not go public right away. You see that little globe? No, we want that unlisted, okay? That means that people can only see it if you send them the link. Over here, I am not choosing that it's for kids, but I'm also not restricting it to viewers over 18. Okay, it's just a personal preference of mine. So it's uploading now. Again, I want it to be unlisted because I want to go ahead and add a thumbnail before any of my viewers see my videos. Okay, so you see those thumbnails in the bottom of those other two videos that I edit and I posted purposely. That way it doesn't just get a random picture or video from the footage, but I purposely add a picture in the front. Okay, so right there it's processing. It takes longer than I'm showing you here now. I'm just editing all that time, so we're not here all day. So as you can see, it's unlisted. Okay, so again, it's not public. Next thing, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to Canva. I love Canva. You can have a free account. There's also accounts that you can pay for, but I use the free one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the pictures that I took, like a before and after the Get Ready With Me. And I'm going to walk you through how it is that I edit the picture. So over here, I already have a template set for 2 pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, or select that one. And before I start doing that, I want to add a filter to the pictures that I took. So I'm importing the ones that I want to do, those 2 right there. And I'm going to add a filter. The filter that I use, and this app is the VSCO app. And the filters that I use for all of my pictures is the A4. All right, that's the one that I particularly like. So I make sure that any pictures that I upload on my Instagram or here on my YouTube channel has that filter, just for continuity. Okay, it all looks the same. So once I go ahead and add the filter, I export it into my camera roll, and now I'm able to upload it into my Canva. It's going a little fast, guys. I'm really sorry. So feel free to pause at any point. Let's see. There are my pictures right there. As you can see, the ones that have the filter, I'm going to select them. I'm going to import them into the Canva, where I'm going to edit them. So there we go. I just delete the previous picture. Oh, I deleted it by mistake, the whole thing. And now I'm going to add the 2 pictures that I want to add. You see, like the before and after. I highly recommend you guys trying out Canva. Like I said, it's free. There are subscriptions that you can add, and with the subscriptions and the membership, you can do a lot more. But even the basic free subscription or membership, you can still do so much. So I really like it. I'm going to go ahead and add a text headline. And what I want is for it to say before and after, so people know what I look like before they get ready with me and the after. Just add that in there. Oh, sorry, the scribble thing on the Apple Pen. I'm still kind of getting used to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out where I'm gonna put this before. I'm gonna put it in the bottom, and then I'm going to duplicate it and put it in the other side and just edit it so we can say after. Add the capital, there we go. All right, so then next I want to put my title, Get Ready With Me, which is GRWN. It's very popular nowadays in beauty bloggers and beauty YouTubers. There we go, change it up a little bit. And there, I am done. Let me see. I want to move this picture just a little bit more so it can be more cohesive with the one right next to it. Perfect. So I am done. Now I'm going to download. Oh, I guess I'm not done yet. There we go. Perfect. I guess I'm still editing it. Sorry guys, I'm doing a voiceover. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to select just page 1. I don't want to download all of those pictures I just edited, just the first one, and I'm going to download it and I'm going to save it to my camera roll. My camera roll is where everything is at. Download it, click that little arrow in the top right, click on the picture, and we're going to save it. Up, save image, and that's gonna go straight into our camera roll. Okay, all right, so I am done editing my thumbnail. Now I'm going to YouTube Studio, which is where we're gonna be able to edit any of our YouTube videos that we upload. So over here, we're gonna go to that video that I just uploaded, which again is unlisted, it's not public, so that I am able to do some changes before my viewers see it. So you see the thumbnail they have there already, it's just a random picture from the video. No, I wanna go ahead and add my own. So I'm going to edit it, click on that, that image, and right there it says custom thumbnail. I wanna click on it, and I am able to upload the picture I just formed in Canva. There we go, beautiful. All right, so I am monetizing, so I wanna go ahead and hit the monetize add button to make sure I do that. And then at this point over here, I can change the title if I want. I can add a description. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to a playlist that I have already, Get Ready With Me, which I have a lot more in there. And I'm going to make it public. Now it's not gonna go public until I hit that save button, just FYI, okay? And now here in the bottom, which is super duper important, guys, don't forget to do this because this is how you're gonna get your name out there and that video out there in the search engine, is adding a lot of tags. So in my tag section, I'm adding Get Ready With Me, simple Get Ready With Me, everyday Get Ready With Me, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add all of the products that I use, because if somebody wants to know how to use a particular blush or bronzer or eyeliner, they're going to search it on YouTube, and if that's the one that I used, I'm going to pop up and my video will pop up for them to see. So super important for us to utilize all of our tags all the way in the bottom, okay? So I'm doing that now. I'm even putting specific concealer names. Again, YouTube is the next how do you say it, search engine that people use after Google. So the more specific, the better. All right. Continuing to add things in here. All right, so I am done putting all my tags, and now I'm going to save. Now it's going to save all the changes that I've done, and most importantly, it's going to make my video public. So again, all of my viewers are going to see it now, and that's going to be, how do you say, it's going to be, you see that globe right there next to the monetizing button in the middle? That means that it is public, all right? Now I'm gonna go into YouTube to make sure that my video got uploaded. I'm gonna refresh, and it goes from that unlisted to the little globe, which shows you that it is up and running, so everybody can see it, and it is available for everyone. All right, so I'm gonna click on it just to make sure that you can see it, and there it is. There's the first image that I added. I'm gonna hit the play button and make sure that you can see it, and it's everything the way that I wanted to set up. All right, that is it, guys. Super easy, right? All right, guys, so that's about it. I walked you guys through how I film the video, how I take the SD card from the camera, use a converter to insert it into my iPad, how I edited the picture for my thumbnail, and how I put it all together using the YouTube Studio. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, just put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Hopefully that helps for those of you who are starting out here on YouTube and don't know what you're doing. It's a good start to uploading videos, filming them, and editing them. All right, guys, that's about it. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms, and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number two, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on the Insta stories, and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. All right, guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye.